Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. Hope you are all doing well, trading well in the market and making a consistent return on your capital. And if not so, do not worry because here we are going to discuss each and everything that will help you to boost your trading journey. So if you are new to this channel, do watch our previous video. In previous video, we have covered a lot important topic about technical analysis that are used for day trading. If you are a day trader, so surely those topics are going to be helpful for your trading journey. So today what we are going to do, we are going to talk about one important topic related to price action. You can say price action or you can say related to trading or technical analysis. So जिस टॉपिक पे आज हम बात करेंगे, we are going to talk about trend line. I hope most of you have heard about Trendline and most of you might use Trendline for trading. So we are going to talk about Trendline. So there are a lot of questions that people have that what is a Trendline? There how many types of Trendline are there? How to take entry exit while using Trendline, and how effective is Trendline and how they can do swing trading with the help of Trendline. So each and every question we are going to discuss, we are going to answer in this video. So do watch out video till last. So without any further delay, let's begin the video. So as you can see, I'm on trading view. So first of all, the first question is what is trend line? Uh, Trend line is nothing but, as you know, when the price make high and higher, like you can see, the price is making higher and higher. So this forms a trend. This is a uptrend. And similar to this, if price move lower and lower like this, so it forms a downtrend. So this is a uptrend because price is able to make new high every time. This was the high, then it created a high, it created a new high, it created a high again. So this is a uptrend, this is a downtrend, and there's one more trend in the market, which is not exactly a trend, but yes, we count it as a trend and we call it sideways. So whenever the price is moving like this, so this is also a sideways trend. So basically, there are only three trends in the market. Either it will be an uptrend, like you can see, either it will be a downtrend, like you can see. So this will be a downtrend, or either it will be a sideways when there is no particular move on the up or downside. जब market decide नहीं होता, buyer are interested in same price, so it moves in a congestion zone or it moves sideways. Sideways means the price is not going to move either up or down. So basically in the market there are three trends. First trend is uptrend when price move higher and high. The second trend is downtrend when price move lower and low. And the third is sideways when market is undecided, price neither move up nor side, it moves in a range. So this is sideways trend. So whenever price move like this, so how this is a uptrend, so it is going to form a upside diagonal. Like if you are going to connect these dots, so it will form a uprising trend line. So this is the uprising trend line because here the low is higher, this low is higher than this low is higher than this low, so it is forming a uprising trend line. Same way, if you are going to see in downtrend, so it will showing trend line like this somewhere here. So whenever for a trend line to be effective, it must have two touch points like 1, 2. So automatically you can look for entry somewhere here. So now we are going to click on the top, and we are also going to try to connect these upper touch points. So this forms a zone. This is kind of a zone. So trend line is nothing but a connection connecting higher and higher or lower lows. So the more the points will connect, the more effective it is going to be. Similar for a downtrend, This is a uptrend, this is a downtrend. So we are going to cover from this top to this top, this top. So you can see this top has not broken this, this has not broken this, this has not broken this. So this is a downward sloping trend line. Similar to this, like you can see, this is one touch point, this is two touch point. So this is also a sideways trend. So basically this is one uptrend, downtrend and sideways. So from this example, you can understand that trend line are basically of two type. Either it is going to be a diagonal, या तो ये diagonal trend line होगी like this, or either it is going to be a horizontal. This is going to be a horizontal trend line. So basically there are two type of trend line. One is diagonal and one is horizontal. Now, how we are going to take trade by using trend line and how effective it is. So for taking trade using trend line, how we are going to use trend line in our trading strategy. So what we are going to do, generally on the lower time frame, आपको दिखेगा there is too much noise. If I'm going to go at 5-minute time frame, so you'll be able to see there are too many candle and too many noise and something is not clear, trend is not clear. As you can see, the price is moving higher and higher, but still there are a lot of noise. So because यहाँ पर बहुत सारी candle है. So to use trend line, the most effective way, अगर आप चाहते हैं तो you can also use trend line with a 5-minute candle. But the most effective way, but जो सबसे सही तरीका है ट्रेंड लाइन यूज करने का, start from the bigger time frame. Do your analysis from the bigger time frame. Like this is a day time frame, so we will break this into 1 hour time frame. Now you can see that each candle is of 60 minutes, means 1 hour. And how we are going to see trend line? So we will try to find trend line जहाँ पर सबसे ज़्यादा touch point connect हो रहे हों. Like I can see that because this comes with the experience. Now I can see that there is something happening. So there we can see a full-fledged trend line. यहाँ पर हम एक trend line देख सकते हैं. So for that you are going to use tools. So आपको trading view के left hand side corner पे this is a toolbar that you can use. There are different tools जो आप use कर सकते हैं. So there's a on the top you can see this is a trend line. So you can just click on that, and now what you have to do, one touch point is here. We'll try to connect these touch points with other touch points like this. This is a second touch point. This is a third touch point. This is a fourth touch point. So this is a valid trend line. So now we have done our analysis, and you can see this is a diagonal trend line. Like price is making higher high, and this is a uptrend. In bigger frame, it is some kind of sideways if you're going to see, but we can see that this is a uptrend because every time the price is able to make a new high. So we are going to connect these dots and we are going to get a crystal clear trend line. On the top also we are going to do same thing. We can see this is first rejection. So this is first high, this is second, and like this we are going to cover. So you will see this is a perfect channel we are going to get. एक perfect channel मिल गया है that people buy here, people sell here, people again buy here, people sell here, people try to buy here and people try to sell near the trend line. So same thing happens again and again. If you're going to see a 5-minute time frame, 15-minute, 2 hour, day, month, week, so you'll be able to see कि ये same process repeat होता रहता है due to psychology, emotions, human emotions related to money. So now we are on a 1 hour time frame. We have drawn our trend line, and this is the trend line we have drawn. So now for entry what we are going to do, we are going to go on lower time frame. जब हम 1 hour पे trend line draw कर लेंगे, after that we will go to lower time frame, and the time frame that we are going to use is 5 minutes. So just we are going to use 5 minutes. So you can go to 5-minute time frame, and अब हमें क्या करना है, we just have to go little back because वो 1 hour time frame था. So they are 5 minute. This is a 5-minute time frame. So lot of candle will be there. So now you can see this is a trend line that we have drawn. This is a trend line that we have drawn on 1 hour time frame. So what we are going to do for taking entry, we are going to enter or we are going to exit near trend line. So like what we are going to do, you can see that this is the trend line here. So we are going to look for entry. So this is a bullish pattern. You are not able to see, but this is some kind of rejection. Prices getting rejected downwards. Like people try to sell low, but someone came and it buyed a huge quantity, and you can see these are the rejection wick, which is with the huge rejection wick. So here the buyers, people are interested in buying this price near trend line. So people have bought here, and people are going to sell near trend line. Again, people are going to sell here and people are going to buy near trend line. So this is how you can look for entry. You can do your analysis on the bigger time frame like 1 hour time frame, and you can look for your entry on the lower time frame. So your risk will be minimum and your reward will be maximum. So this is a plus point of using trend line. So same trend line also work like we have done the analysis on the 1 hour time frame. But let's suppose अगर आप 1 घंटे पे you're not comfortable in doing analysis on 1 hour and you just want to do analysis on 5 minutes, you can also do that. So you just have to wait. Don't jump into the trade. Just wait for your trade to come with you, come for you. Don't jump into the trade. So आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? Let's wait and try to see some kind of trend line formation on 5 minutes. Like this is the 5 minute bar. So you can see, you can take your trend line tool and you can see that this is a trend line. Like people are buying, people have buy. This is 1 touch point, 2 touch point, 3 touch point, 4 touch point, and once it break, it became resistance. So you can look entry here, and on the top also you'll be able to see that there are 3 touch points. This is 1, 2, 3. For a touch point, for a trend line, it is important that it should have maximum touch point and more than 2 and 3 touch point to be a valid trend line. So this is a horizontal. This is a horizontal trend line, you can see. So you can look for entry here on the lower time frame, but your profit will be less if you're going to see, if you are going to do analysis on the 5 minute bar. So your risk will be lower and your profit is also going to be lower. But if you're going to trade, if you're going to do analysis on 1 hour and look for entry in the lower time frame, so your risk will be less and your profit can be maximum. It depends upon you how much risk you can take and how much profit you are willing to take. So based on that you can look for an entry. So this is a horizontal, ये एक horizontal trend line है. So you need to connect these dots and you can look entry here, you can look exit near here, and whenever this trend line break and start taking resistance, so it became resistance. Support turns out to be resistant due to polarity, theory of polarity. So here again this is a trend line, so you can look for a long entry. This is a trend line for the shorter time frame, and this trend line comes from longer time frame like 1 hour time frame. So this is more effective as compared to this. So आप दोबारा इस ट्रेंड लाइन पे लॉन्ग अपॉर्चुनिटीज, यू कैन लुक फॉर लॉन्ग अपॉर्चुनिटीज विथ सम बुलिश पैटर्न लाइक इन गल्फ, मॉर्निंग स्टार और समथिंग लाइक दैट. And this is also a pattern here. This is inverse head and shoulder. Like this is a low, one low, but not able to make new low, and it break this low. So this is an inverse head and shoulder, which is a trend reversal. So इसके बारे में हम बाद में बात करेंगे. But always try to take entry near trend line. So always try to take long entry and always try to book your profit near above trend line. So this is how people use trend line for effective. Now if you want to use trend line for swing trade, like right now we are talking about day trading. अगर आप day trading के लिए कैसे use करेंगे trend line. Now if you want to use for swing trade, you can go to bigger time frame. As I was using 1 hour time frame for day trading, now I am going to 1 month time frame. You can go bigger than this also, but 1 month is suitable time frame. So now I'm on a 1 month time frame, and you can see that there's a horizontal trend line I can see here, like this. This is some kind of horizontal trend line. This is one touch point, two, three. So this is a horizontal touch point. So people like to buy. If you're going to see on day time frame, we have done analysis on monthly time frame. Now if you are going to go on day time frame, so it will be something like this. So you can look entry near this trend line, and you can look exit near this trend line. So the pattern is similar, but right now our risk and reward have changed. So due to fractal nature of price, same pattern you can see in 5 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hour, 1 month, 1 week, same thing happens, same pattern formation have happens in every time frame, whichever time frame you are going to take. So for longer time frame, we use bigger time frame analysis, like month, 2 month, 3 month, or 1 year. If you want to use invest also, so you can look for 1 month time frame. And if you want to trade, you can look for if you want to do swing trading, you can go for 1 month analysis, and you can look entry on day chart. And if you want to day trade, you can look analysis for 1 hour, and then you can look for entry at 5 minutes. So this is a similar way we use trend line, and generally people use these way using trend line. So this is a way how people use trade. Professional trader also use same way trend line, and you can also use the same way. And it will give you a set of rules that you're not going to buy in between. You're only going to look entry exit near trend line. So this will help you to develop your own strategy. It will give you advantage. It will give you edge, and edge is nothing but highest probability of getting win rate. So this is how you should use trend line. So how effective it is going to be if you are going to use trend line and you are going to take trade with the help of trend line. Out of 10, 7 to 8 trade will be right. What experience I have seen, with my experience, I can say that if you are going to take 10 trade, let's suppose you're going to take 10 trade, your 6 to 7 will be more. So it will be 60 to 70% win rate you're going to use if you're going to use trend line. And along with the win rate, your risk to reward will be high. Like with a minimum risk, you can take much reward if you're going to trade with the help of trade line. So as I told you earlier also, do not go with my words. Like what I am saying, do not only go with this. Do your own research, do your own trade. Like take 25 to 30 trade and see the result, how effective it is going to be for you for day trading. And after that, you can come to a conclusion that whether this is going to be helpful for you or not, because every trader have its own set of rules and strategy, which he is trading consistently for many years. So I have an experience in this, so might be my result will be more, my result and accuracy will be more than you. So you have to develop this in your trading strategy, and surely this is going to be helpful for your trading journey, how to use trendline. So do watch out video till last. I hope you like the content, and also watch previous video that we have shared related to technical analysis. So thanks for watching the video, and have a great day. Thank you.